بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فبشرناه بغلام حليم فلما بلغ معه السعي قال يا بني إني أرى في المنام أني أذبحك فانظر ماذا ترى قال يا أبت افعل ما تؤمر ستجدني إن شاء الله من الصابرين فلما أسلما وتله للجبين وناديناه أن يا إبراهيم قد صدقت الرؤيا إنا كذلك نجزي المحسنين إن هذا لهو البلاء المبين وفديناه بذبح عظيم وتركنا عليه في الآخرين سلام على إبراهيم.
نعم. إن الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا من يهد الله فلا مضل له ومن يضلل فلا هادي له ونشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له ونشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي أما بعد. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
إنه نجري في الكلام يقوم بسيوم أبرفوين أو دفوين وانا وابن استابت سامبل بنسوي na wama ya mwadie mwadi inshallah na watu na kwa kwa batu mbiem yede yankopon asam yede bra ya moyo na ayafa so ya mai yo yasmase eni atemuda o yankopon timi munam say last week na your topic last 2 weeks me wa na your topic and na ye discuss Isaac and Ishmael. Why and Yakupon ka said Abraham on for yede and war for the year. Na Agoban said Bible mun say Isaac. Na Quran musu say Ishmael. And no more and person na ye ni ya hwe bibia no pre ewo. Na awo Yakupon to me mun say last week yentumi ampa ye. Etiende yɛbɛkɔ so ne asɛm saremu na yɛkyerɛkyerɛ na de pasodie kɛseɛ de ama yɛ enti yɛn nsɛm mmerɛ no ɔkenkanfoɔ wɔbie ɔhoma no a wɔbɛbie de akɔ Genesis chapter 16 verse number 1 hɔ ɛkɔ no awɔ yɛn nkopɔ ntumi wɔ ne ɛhwɛ Genesis chapter 16 verse number 7. Now,
Genesis chapter 15, verse number 7 downwards.
Now,
say, there are people from so anyone who for a special or say, when so anyone.
now,
so besides, Hagar, Sarah, Fina, Opry, and Araba.
Abraham Hagar, na ne madam, what it in a water, no, na wood, Danny. Na Yakupamba for a mono. Nature has started through one say, a young woman say, I Ishmael, I am Panama, me wa. And now, personal, Hagar, Abraham, Pana. Sana ya Christian Poneka, everything has started through one, send a ɛbɛyɛ clear amene ɛwɔ di adanse sɛ Nyankopɔn was some pena so senko wɔyɛ ɛyɛ Abraham pena nka Nyankopɔn so ɔbɔfo ma ne mba ne nkyɛn ɛnti ɔbɔfo no bebisa ne sɛ ɛyɛ Hagar ehimfa na wɔbɔ na
wɔse
ɛna ɔka sɛ
mewura Sarah anim na meredwane
ɔse no ɔdwane afiri ne wura Sarah anim kɔ
Awurade bɔfoɔ no ka kyerɛ no sɛ
ɛna Awurade bɔfoɔ no ɛka kyerɛ no sɛ
san kɔ owura ne nkyɛn
san kɔ wura nkyɛn
na kɔbrɛ wo ho ahyehyɛ n'ase
na kɔbrɛ wo ho asɛ ɛhyɛ n'ase wɔadi adanse sɛ Nyankopɔn wɔahyira awadeɛ no so ɛfisɛ Nyankopɔn pɛ awaregyaeɛ anaasɛ awaresɛeɛ mebɔ a na sɛ ka Nyankopɔn pɛ awaregyaeɛ a anka wɔn soma bɔfɔ ambɛka kyerɛ Hagar sɛ wɔn nsane ɛnkɔ ɛyɛ naware aseɛ ɛnti wɔadi adanse sɛ yɛawadeɛ ne mmom ɛyɛ mpenatwe yɛnkɔ
ɔse Awurade bɔfoɔ no ka kyerɛ no sɛ san kɔ owura nkyɛn na kɔbrɛ wo ho ahyehyɛ n'ase
na
Awurade bɔfoɔ no ka kyerɛ no sɛ
yɛnkɔ
dɔ na mɛma w'asefo adɔ
ɔse dɔ ɛna mama deɛ w'asefo adɔre
na wɔn dodoɔ nti
ɔse na ɔmo dodoɔ nti na kyɛ wɔyɛ afam a ɛdi kan no
wɔntumi nkan wɔ
obie no obɛtumi aka yɛ ɔmo
Awurade bɔfoɔ no ka kyerɛ no sɛ hwɛ wɔnyinsɛn
wobɛnyinsɛn
na wobɛwo ɔba
na wobɛwo ɔba
na wobɛto ne din sɛ Ismael
ɔse wobɛwo ɔba barima na wobɛto ne din sɛ Ismael na sɛ din ne firi so na ɛyɛ ɛba ɛnti Ismael wɔnyɛ mpenaba dabi ɛfisɛ Nyankopɔn wɔn toto mpenaba din sɛ nka ɔyɛ mpenaba anka din no ayɛ den amba sɛnea Isaac din firi soro baayɛ no saa bɛbɛbɛ na Ismael din so ayɛ den ɛfiri soro ɛbaayɛ eti yɛ make it clear sɛ 1 Ishmael wɔnyɛ mpenaba 2 Hagar wɔnyɛ Abraham mpena dabi eti Nyankopɔn ɔne n'akɔ apam sɛ wɔmama n'ase adɔre afɛs ne di Ishmael no koraa no Nyankopɔn na de baayɛ ɔso yɛ
na wobɛto ne din Ismael sɛ Awurade ate wɔ ma ne ho no
ɔsɛ sɛ Awurade ayɛ den ate wɔ ama ne ho no Allahu Akbar
na ɔbɛyɛ onipa bi a ɔte sɛ ɛserɛ so afiri mu
ɔsɛ na ɔbɛyɛ nipa bi a ɔte sɛ ɛserɛ so afiri mu na
ne nsa bɛteɛ nipa nyinaa
nyinaa bi maana wɔbɛyɛ obi a ɔbɛsɔre gyina ne nan so na obi biara ɔbɛyɛ adeɛ nsa nkɔta ne nsa bɛtia no ɛti nipa nyinaa a wɔwɔ akpanyera so no ne nsa bɛtia no
na nipa nyinaa nsa atia no
na nipa nyinaa so nsa bɛtia dɛ nkyɛ nipa nyinaa nsa bɛtia no ɛfiri sɛ ɛnɛ nipa yi adeɛ na nsa nkɔta na sɛ ɛnya na wɔwɔ kaka a ɛyɛ ne sɛ wotan no ɛnti no they will stand up against you wate aseɛ ɛnti wei di adanseɛ sɛ ɛyɛ Ishmael no wɔyɛ ɔdehyeɛ te sɛ sɛnea Isaac yɛ ɔdehyeɛ no ne ho nsɛm de nsa ne sɛ no
na ɔbɛsɔre atie ne nuanom nyinaa na ɔfrɛ Awurade a ɔne no kasa no din sɛ wo ne Onyankopɔn a wohunu adeɛ na ɔse mahunu deɛ ɔhome no ampa
ɔse na mahu deɛ ɔhunu me ampa
nti ɔfrɛ asubra no sɛ biara hai roy na hwɛ ɛwɔ Kades ne Barad ntam Hagar wɔ ɔba ma Abraham
nti Hagar wɔwɔ ba ɛma Abraham kɔ so
Abraham frɛ ne ba a Hagar wɔ no Ismael
ɔse na Abraham ɛfrɛ ne ba na wɔwɔ no Ishmael sɛ sɛnea ɔbɔfoɔ ne de baayɛ pɛpɛɛpɛ
na Hagar wɔ Ishmael no
na Hagar wɔ Ishmael no
na Abraham adi mfeɛ deɛ wɔtwe nsia
na kyerɛ sɛ Abraham adi sɛ mfeɛ deɛ
wɔtwe nsia
ahosɛ baabi a ɔsɛ 99 ahosɛ so si dɛ wɔtwe nsia ma good news bible ma ho yɛ ha ne kɔ last one ne nhwɛ mfeɛ no ɛwɔ na ɔbɛhu sɛ yes bible ɛde akristianfo adwene ɛɛto kyakya wei yɛ another point ɛna yɛpɛ sɛ yɛkyerɛ mo sɛ in Hebrew language no original figure ne yɛ sɛn ɛna mo translate a obia translate ne deɛ different Allahu Akbar ɔsɛ dɛ
Abraham was 86 years old at the time
86 years old I'm say King James na yɛ 99 no problem meba yɛnkɔ Genesis chapter 17 verse number 1 ɛrekɔ
Genesis chapter 17 verse number 1. I say, the thing was a family was at the
na
Abraham did fish your crown.
Abraham din fishia ebi okron
Ready in what you ever said.
na Yankopɔn yi we di kyerɛ
Me know Yankopɔn twedi ampo.
o se mene Ewurade twedi ampo
Na ntimanim
na ha na ye pe ase ne Yankopɔn ene ne bɛkɔ de apam me bo a
sanity.
na
Mama ma apam da me no untem.
o se no mama na apam ada ɔno ene Yankopɔn de entem
Na mama wa dokese no ara.
Also, woman has said, Ador Cassia.
Na Abraham de ne mutu fom.
Na Abraham ye
De ne mutu
or
fom.
the name to from Jesus and Cremo for Yaya.
Na Onyankopɔn ne kasa sɛ, medie,
Media,
ma apam da hɔ ma wo.
na Mapa and Mao, let us on before Apam.
Na mɛyɛ wo pi, na mɛyɛ wo man pi agya.
Mayor or my PDA, Jaja now.
Na wɔremfrɛ wo din Abraham bio. Ne mo ɔbɛfrɛ Abraham.
I see the young Frau D. Abraham, you never ever for Abraham.
Ɛfiri sɛ, mayɛ wo aman pi agya.
Now,
Na mɛma wɔdɔ pii paara.
now,
Na mɛyɛ wo aman.
now,
Na hamfrɛfiri mu. Na mɛma me ne wo ne w'asefo a ɛbɛdi w'akyi no apam agyina hɔ.
now.
Wɔn awoɔ ntɔtɔtɔ.
So, let us have Pamela and Bequano, a bit dimu, Edidimu, Aqua, I want to talk to.
Na ayɛ daa apam.
Na Pam,
Na mayɛ wo ne w'asefo a ɛbɛdi w'akyi no Onyankopɔn.
now,
Na mede asase a wɔyɛ so wɔwɔ yi. Kee na asase nyinaa ɛma wo ne w'asefo a ɛbɛdi w'akyi no.
now,
Sɛ
Na.
daa agyapadeɛ.
that is a party,
Na
young
mayɛ
man.
wo ne Onyankopɔn. Na Onyankopɔn ka kyerɛ Abraham sɛ,
Now,
wo deɛ
Na.
nti mapam so.
also, would you have Pam
Wo
so?
ne w'asefo a ɛbɛdi w'akyi wɔn awoɔ ntɔtɔɔ so mu. Yɛyi ne me ne w'asefo a ɛbɛdi w'akyi no ntam apam ammɔ ne soɔ.
Now,
Wɔtwitwa mo mu mmarima nyinaa twetia.
I see the moon to tell Mum Bama in that year,
Na motwitwa mo ho twetia. Na yɛ me ne mo ntam apam no ho.
now, I am in the moon till Apam.
No ho nsɛnkyerɛnne.
Now,
Na ɔbabarima bi a wadi nnawɔtwe no. Montwa de twetia.
now,
Ma wo ntɔtɔɔ so mu.
young boy.
Deɛ wawo ne fie ne deɛ ɔde sika tɔɔ no wɔ ɔhɔhoɔ biara a ɔnyɛ w'aseni nkyɛn. Ka deɛ wawo no wɔ fie ne deɛ ɔde sika tɔɔ no twetia.
Now,
Na mapam atena mo honam mu ne na mapam atena mo honam mu sɛ daa apam.
now,
Na ɔbarima mɔmɔnɔtɔ biara a wɔn ntwa ne twetia no. Sɛ wɔn nipa no
now,
ɔbɛtwa no afiri ne man mu.
a better than Philip.
Ɛfiri sɛ
If you say,
wɔto mapam.
he said, what talk on the up and Papa.
Seventeen.
Now,
Na Onyankopɔn ka kyerɛ Abraham sɛ
now,
wɔyere Sara deɛ
the way Sarah there,
mfɛ ne Sara bio.
na
mmom Sara na mɛhyira no.
Obeshirano,
Na mama wo ne mu ɔba nso na mɛhyira no.
now,
Ɔbɛyɛ aman.
obey our mind.
Na aman ayɛ bɛfiri ne mu.
Not just a man and you may boa. You think I Ishmael dear, and they told me Isaac dear, may boa. And you are probably not a pill. There's really different. Also, no more Siagori. No, so man on mine. No, a new passive Doria and your mind.
Your mind.
Thank you to us.
Na Abraham de ne butu fam sere. Na ɔka no kokom sɛ, na ɔka na kom sɛ, ɔbɛwo ɔba ama deɛ wadi mfirihyia ɔha. Na Sara a wadi mfie aduɔkron no bɛwo anaa. Na Abraham ka kyerɛ Onyankopɔn sɛ,
Now,
oh, sɛ anka Ismael bɛnya w'anim adom a.
also Sanka Ishabella with him Adam. Now, your friend said, Abraham, no, did you say Sarah bet me? Oh, allow God. And to know request be free and coupon say, Sanka Ishabella with him Adam. What you say? What?
Na Onyankopɔn ka sɛ, ampanyampa.
Now,
Wɔyere Sara bɛwo ɔba ama wo.
I say, I'm money how, and I said more come to, and I said more about me and coupon, me say, where you Sarah Bewo or by the Ama if you said, men of Maba. Now,
Na wɔto bi Isaac.
no say, I'm glad about who did it, Isaac.
Na mɛma me ne no apam no agyina ayɛ daa apam.
I said, the member men no up on the giant, I had up from that say, or no, not permanent the bedding kind, and yet you man,
Sanity.
young boy.
Ama n'asefo a ɛbɛdi n'akyiri no. Na Ismael ho deɛ mɛtie wo.
I say, na Ishmael would be a man.
Mɛtie wo.
Metio. And it is all shot a pro bio. Near Copancasa metia, and I said, Nipacasa metia, whatever one is off whatever. Yes. And it is Ishmael requesting Abraham, yeah, for Ishmael over him. See, why is it here? Ishmael then a Copancasa with the Bemau, our him. Hello, and your person Ishmael, the answer the made the Bemau. Yet was a one ever who Baby and the pressure, Nicole Pushe, Yako.
I say, Messiano, na mamma now. No, I don't be para. The teacher do you know about now. Na my Cassie, no Bayan or my Cassie. Na mapam dear, many Isaac, Sarah Belna Ama, after that's a say on a Bepam Ama no etina. Now, no way, not any way Cassano, and go for Abraham take also. Now, Abraham found about Ismail in 1 hour, one if he in 1 hour, Sikato 1 in Abraham fearful woman baby na, but there won't be than Ara. Not just say, Abraham, who wanted the Casa or Poyano, a hope or circumstance. War one Cassano one day. Fearful Busia for the more walk top my baby no circumstance of now. Send a Pacatro, not Abraham fish your home home, don't care any Ketia. Not Abraham fish, say you won't grow any candidate Ketia, and the bar Ishmael, not the bar Ishmael in fear to me answer. I said Ishmael in yet 13 years. Maybe one, I will carry Ketia, and they can't get here. That no run would prepare Abraham. Then the bar is my Ketia. Now the fear very many 1 hour one ni fear, no 1 hour this got to talk one for a whole one chain will try one Ketia car. And to that, I said, Abraham Ishmael in 13 years in the can't get your Yawo Isaac, Yawona. Let us Abraham Coupon. One Abraham poor Pamano, nay, and Isaac, Tiawa, some night Isaac in Yamba. I said, not Ishmael would say 13 years. Abraham 99 years. Abraham was saying 99 years will be an opportunity. Young Genesis chapter 1, verse number 1 to 8. Genesis chapter 22, verse number 1 to 8. Wasn't it right? Prepare Sarah said the Okaino. Or Sarah said the Ocean, or said the Ocean Bono. Now, and Sarah is saying, now, Papa Mama Abraham, when the Cocra Prim. It's no, Papa Mama Abraham, one Cocra Prim. Now, Brown would now poor kind of once and no more. Abraham to Oba, Sarah woman, Isaac. It's Abraham to Sarah, Isaac now. Abraham ba Isaac di na working on. I say na Abraham ba Isaac di na working on. And what they can't get here. Now, say the one person. Say the young couple never apam. Na Abraham di infisia or ha bre a wo ne ba. I say it is say Abraham di infisia or ha me bo a. It says here no. Ishmael yes 14 years. 14 years. Our Ghana go amateur, we do at the recent age. 13 crowd, we do at the 13 years, we do at the recent age. Now, it's not even bien. What we answer, Allah Akbar. Satamano, not a first Isaac, we ain't a 1 year crowd. After the hour, we ain't our king. 8 years. 8 days. 8 days. Now, okay. Now, Yako, I wanna start to free, verse now, Echo. Or say, Genesis chapter 2 verse number 9. Now, Sarah who knows me saying about our woman Abraham no say original. Anything of Bible na cow. Say Abraham and Ishmael. What 14 years? No, the Aquala Kitwana. What 8 days? 8 years grown. And no can say. Now, Sarah who knows me Hega ba a wo ma Abraham so wi so. O ka che Abraham say. I no ka che Abraham say. Ma fnai ne me ba no. O say pama frei ne ne ba no ha. Na nya afnai ba ne me ba Isaac ne be di ade. O say na nya afnai ene ne ba Isaac ne be di ade. O ha say no ena ka se kwhye ma ko ho. I say Sarah yo be o edide ne ba. Enya di obeye ye fe the partiality. And I say tichemu. But Adam said no Roman 4%. When we hear the tarnish the image of what? Ishmael. Because when they say Ishmael has said a great prophet will come out or more or the super also. So they protect say a bear or more petty wine Ishmael black. What I say? And it's not say, not almost by saying that Ishmael and then Hagar from some for that. It's your power. Your way. Nanibanti. I said no, yeah, Abraham. And you know, I want a year Abraham, yeah. Abraham said. And Abraham said, Map of Frono, No wafuna na asem no nya wo ya.
Ose ma bofra no ene wafuna asem no nya wo ya.
Na de Sarah ka che wo nyina.
Ose de Sarah ka che wo nyina. Tie na kire se Yakobon ka se bibi ba beto no se ko so na ya. Na se so point me wa. Na se bi papa be de be fru ma ba. Na se sa ko nto no na akwala be fru eye fanse baby or one can as I said, so bananas as I so no good significant. I am going what she your way.
What's it?
Now,
Isaac Moon or Better was for.
I said, Isaac Moon and a better was for. Now, Napa so made on my case. I said, I'm not man on my case. Now, my way. I've never also made on my case here. O man no ahi ni Yakobon ka se o man ye obi o man kese na tse na asefo ni nyina no wo ba ye o mo o man o ma ba so on tweda kwa Yakobon nti sa korofo no question mark wei ena ye ade a se Christian fo no o mo hwehwe no mu ye no so de be mu di krem fo ake o se o ba ye o so o man kese kwa if we say
I was sitting.
If you saw any where you were sitting, not just a thing you go on in the air for a purpose. Young boy.
Now, I'm sorry, I'm too far down in Shoko to you. Not the Mahega.
Not the Mahega.
Or the Sino Congo.
Or the Sino Congo.
No man, ne abofrano coy. No man, in abofrano coy.
I say, or the Sino Congo and only abofrano and a coy. But good news, they had it. I also did so this in the thank you. Good news, we got also the Apollo Shady. 14 years old, Apollo initiate Germany. And to people are worship your woman in a shed. Not like people, you know, name was one family.
Genesis 21, verse number 14.
I said,
I see early the next morning.
I said, now, to know.
Abraham gave some food.
Abraham gave Biane.
And another bag full of water.
And a year bag as your boom.
He put the child on her back.
He put the child on what?
On her back.
On her back. And not just say, or the Abraham shady. And so, when you're 14 years old, you didn't share Germany. Not just a the other say, Abraham, I read scripture on more translating. No one will say, no, but I do swap. And I'm more fun for you when you're 14 years old. And I said, but a man, Sam, a dear dancer said, Abraham, you walk as a girl. No, Ishmael, leave you. And but your move follow. And he said, oh, said, I got a piece. Why then? Wait to story no be a shame. No, they have a twas. What I say? And you know, wait to story no. What I say? And I would be a shame. And a wedding, what was and to the other person. And now mistake I did about home. And she is a Palano because according to the Quran, now Paradus get one. Oh, surprise, eh, say, now Paradus. And now a Hega or Ede, one or employee. What did I make her say? It you know, I say, the Bible say, what they are going to say, the TDR 14 years. Not just the Quran cannot end. Allah, where they are, say, yes, I know so. Christ in our son and a boy. And the Bible who read the Bible, let us about 14 years and a see a fun of course. And the Bible now is also contradicted or say, they are 14 years and shade. And ye. And let us say the Quran kind of way according to the Bible. To us way.
I did the next morning. Abraham gave Hagar some food and another bag full of water. He put the child on her back and sent her away. She left and wandered about in the wilderness of Beersheba. When the water was all gone,
and to Abraham, what you are calling no, so in a
she left the child under a bush.
Oh, see, he let the child.
She left the child under a bush.
Because she left the boy.
The boy.
But I was a child. Let us all son. And I said,
about 14 years,
according to the Bible, 14 years boy. Abadani abalake tuwa. What they do for Allah. You know, Abalano says, I'm going to 14 na ba abeye me friend say beye
yeah by baby
by 1 month and so 2 months baby
sanity
and you I say no Bible no say e contract no and you Bible and say mama what here say e Yesu ne ne bo afode ne mama yaze ye kwe
o say he left the child under a bush
and na orija akwala no awo de under the board bush
sat down about 100 years away
and na otwi ne mu kakra
she said to herself
and na okachira no say
I can't bear to see my child die.
I can't bear to see my child die. This is a story of what I was saying. Is your house?
While she was sitting there, she began to cry.
I was so
God heard the boy crying.
And God heard
the boy crying.
It is a child now than a boy.
And from heaven, the angel of God spoke to Hagar.
And I said, I'm 14 years. One of them, I mean, one else was to show you money.
Mameno, 40 years. 40 years.
I said, I'm going to 14. No warning. No warning. It's all my best man said, for her, since show her. And said, for her sake, for her, since show her. So I saw your palan to Jana too. And as I got
14 years.
14 years.
God heard the boy crying. And from heaven, the angel of God spoke to Hagar.
Now,
what are you troubled about?
Now,
Hagar,
now,
don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid.
God has heard the boy crying.
I'll see your party.
Get up. Go and pick him up.
Go and take him.
Go and pick him up.
Go and pick him up. 14 years boy picking up.
But I hope not so confirmed. 14
years ago. Or what was it? Go and pick him up. And it will answer some Bible word. And to dear.
We not say and comfort him.
And come na crow. Sabe. And it is my one or told again. Men are so. 14 years.
14 years.
Complete down, no crow. How come? And sometimes I don't understand the Christian. They read the Bible and they press on it, and you are telling us that you are reading the Bible like a what?
Graphic.
A graphic.
Daily graphic.
Daily graphic. Yeah, they won't come from. Yeah, they won't come from. Yeah, show the chew. Bible no. What kind of somebody when you're 14 years?
14 years.
14 years and then the shade. 14 years, they didn't to walk and also sing. 14 years, or what was on go pick down on baby, careful, and your mammy came. Hey, bye. 14 years. She will be no problem. 14 years. 14 years. I got the Bible. And as I said, about 8 years, and for Bible and to do. About then, and I fancy potential master and then rabbi no more back and more for Bible and to do because of all this thing. Error. I think I could walk out of Quran. Oh, chapter 2, verse number 79. So who to those who they write the scripture with their own hands and say that this is from Allah and purchase with a small price. Who to them for what their hand earns. And to wait, and the other says, I go from Pope. And yeah, I said, and then about for the year. And he says, what can some not if it is young Brian Troa, not just as something I am from. Yes. To us, you see.
I will make a great listener out of his defendant.
I want a permanent your to me and the Paramedic. Now.
Then God opened her eyes, and she saw a well.
Now
she went and filled the ladder bag with water.
And she's about 14 years. 1 year, but I want to feel it bag.
Down.
Now
gave some to the boy.
I want to be my God
was with the boy as he grew up.
Not just a no,
baby.
And to 14 years now, by Yakala. And Sunday, everybody can answer. And it is a year, the age of Ishmael. The age of Ishmael, according to the Bible. And you say, I go say, Nazako, Naba, and to Ezigiza, no, you're 14 years. ɛna ɔbɛda ne akwala ɛna ɔbɛda ne boy no yɛsi ɔkɔfa na ɔkɔkɔrɔ no to akwala nyɛ ansa ne akɔbɔ bɛhwɛ na so wɔyini wɔn kɔ to beebi ɛno mo nam Bible na ɛkeka wɔn beebi ɛno ntorɔ ɛna mo ɛnam Yankopɔn wɔyɛ ne yɛ fama yɛ
God was with the boy as he grew up. He lived in the wilderness of Paran and became a skillful hunter.
And to that way, and a colony, you know, best for the end of a skillful hunter. And you know, story a brother in the call. The story no, the nipsin of a young after them that show. And he said, Grant and my who said, a bra Yankopɔn kaa sɛ wɔne Ishmael ɛmba afɔdeɛ no ɛna Abraham kaa sɛ afei a mebɛdi akwalaa ho mfasoɔ no ɛna Yankopɔn sɛ meyɛ dɛ memfa no ayɛ dɛ ɛmba afɔdeɛ na kyerɛ sɛ ɔnyɛ 14 years hɔ no ɛna Yankopɔn sɛ mfa no yɛ dɛ ɛmba afɔdeɛ saa time no na ɛnyɛ wɔ Isaac
14 de na afei awɔ Isaac
according to Quran ne ɛnya mo ba we no ma fixe sɛ na ɛyɛ a ɔmatumi adane ade ne yame Isaac but yɛ san ɛnkɔ so ade ne da so yɛ ntanta Bible na sɛ ba contradict ne ho biem ne yɛ ade ɛne nti no o hwɛ ahyɛ no obi so ɛnyɛ bi ɛhwɛ yɛ kɔ mam Genesis chapter 22 verse number 1 to 19 wo de kan rɔfo na ne fast 22 verse number 1 to 19
Genesis chapter 22 verse number 1
to 19 ne hwɛ deɛ di kan abra yɛbɛpam Ishmael ɛde firifie hɔ na Isaac wɔ sa wɔyɛ girl dojufo no mebɔ a ɛno tiri Yankopɔn sɛ yɛmfa no kɔbɔ afɔdeɛ na kyerɛ sɛ ɔyɛ baby mebɔ a ɛne ne kɔ ɛne ne kɔbɔ afɔdeɛ mebɔ a yɛhwɛ adeɛ kɔ
Genesis 22 verse number 1 sometime later God tested Abraham
I said Embra ko ne nim kakra no ase sometimes one kasa some year or say sometimes later and yɛn fan sɛ bia boy no nyɛ bɛ 2 months ana sɛ ebisa 7 months we first akwara nyɛ bɛ 7 months and you know abra yɛ pam Ishmael free no yɛn fan sɛ bɛ 7 months time and Yankopɔn bɛ sɔ Abraham agɛ bɛ bɔ a for anywhere
he called to him Abraham
and Yankopɔn fra Abraham
and Abraham answered
and Abraham did so
yes here I am
ɔsɛ
take your son God said
and ɔsɛ fa akwalaa no saa na Yankopɔn kan
your only son
question mark mame but full stop wɔ ha se also I see your only son me pato reflect me Yankopɔn back Genesis chapter 21 verse number 13 and 10 what was I saw that your only son me boy okay mam Genesis
chapter 21
yes verse number 13 ne say Yankopɔn woni the left and right hand
Genesis chapter 21 verse number 13
no say
I will also give many children to the son of the slave woman so that they will become a nation. He too is your son.
He too
is your son.
And then it's also only son.
Only your.
Yankopɔn aka Abraham said, Ishmael she any.
Also over.
Over me boy. And then it's also your only son.
Your only son.
Also he too is your son to fuck fanko me boy. Now then also somebody only son there show. When the other says the original story no. Abra wo the Ishmael go back for the no one in cheek. Now that's a grand cantor. Grand cantor. According to Quran, now Ishmael young wood in cheek. Also, I can't have place no matter no Bible no. Also, he too, also that your only son.
Your only son.
Let Ishmael was something again.
Nobody about.
But let's say young Isaac. Because Quran may say. Na yenya ewo de Isaac and the Yankopɔn so Abraham share Abraham qualify ye no shira with Isaac or the Isaac shira
take your son God said, your only son.
God said your only son.
Your only son.
And now Genesis chapter 12 verse number 13 so say he too is your son.
Your son.
And Jesus here Yankopon twelve na Numbers chapter 19 verse number 22. God is not a man that is what lie.
And only papa will get trouble.
Will get trouble. In other therefore, someone should remember research. Say Ishmael and Isaac, what in the bar for the and then the trouble. Quran or say Ishmael, Bible say Isaac. Na Bible na kasa actually say Ishmael because or na kasa keka timbo. I say wasuma kwala na wogo discount. No bisa no say ayira na wo bisa say kwa best of us yira e na me kwa na mi go do na mi de mi nsa hye mi botom na sika ni ni wo o si de bi mi poli ye na mi tito ye na sika tofo na ha da bi mi kwa na fama fa sika na yira ye da bi mi kwa na nkrofo bi hia mi na omo po mi na kire say asam ni ye de intro ebi na ba bro ye ebi na ba bro ye de no ase to aswe.
I said, take your son.
I said, for
God said, your only son.
Your only son, God,
Isaac.
Isaac, now
who you love so much.
Who you do what?
Love so much.
Not just say Ishmael, the North town. Ishmael, North town, some of us are gone. Meanwhile, and according to Genesis chapter 21, Abraham, Yankupon share Isaac won't come. It's not way Abraham. Was say, Enka, Oma don't appear one so Ishmael so. This is all the Ishmael by it. Allow one. Two, Abra, Yankupon can say, another Sarah can say, over Corano and Paranas as a sono. Ehano. And the Yankupon can say, my name, Hano. Mewa, I am the Doba, yes, so I am the Doba Gaham, and I'm sorry the Doba Tino, Ehano. So, to also.
I said, and go to the land of Moriah. There on mountain that I will show you. Offer him as a sacrifice to me.
I am going to offer Moriah. Obechiaru baby, no, they are going to offer the young guy. I will have a best of months and I say, that was 1 year. 1 year. 1 year, young pay.
I did the next morning.
And about to do too.
Abraham cut some wood.
And Abraham will try beer
for the sacrifice.
Or the Bako for the
loaded his donkey.
Or two, and donkey to Sunam.
And took Isaac.
I know they are the cow.
And 2 servants with him.
I know they are in front of the cow. They
started out for the place that God had told him about.
No, or did any chair, the beer and cook on a chair.
On the 3rd day,
and that I told me and son.
Abraham saw the place in the distance.
Not just or the 3 days in 94. Yes. Not many lady be a debate. Also on tears say Abraham or Timini Hagar and Nanti a free a fancy Paran a Canaan a call Arabia Paranas and so because it's 1,000 kilometers. Also on tears here. Now, person which was at the form they were more stronger than us because after machines in Europe and it's also a horse and so forth. A man can walk Nancy at the public man until Massa. And it's all the 3 days and Antico Duro. I want to buy who need that area or no. Kena 3 days.
Then he said to the servants,
I don't catch that. One said,
stay here with the donkey.
A young bomba, a barber. And now, on catch there, no one said, money, a donkey, and general. The
boy and I will go over there and worship.
I say, the boy
and I.
I'm going to be there as a boy.
A baby.
I didn't have a boy.
I saw a boy.
Abalana, what your friend saying? A few months. She said, better than a boy.
Boy.
What woman here? I Ishmael, not your boy. Oh, man, daddy baby. Isaac, oh, yeah, baby, no. What are the boy? Okay, young boy.
So the boy and I will go over there and worship. And then we will come back to you.
Not yet, but somehow, Chen.
Abraham made Isaac carry the wood for the sacrifice.
Hey, I'll go away. Some months, no, then.
Yeah, my oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, then.
Abraham made Isaac carry the wood for the sacrifice.
Carry the wood for the sacrifice. Abraham no was soldier. I had the sacrifice. Subhanallah. Alhamdulillah. Some ceremony and some who don't control of masalachi. Yes. And Abraham to know. Some man the young Lebo was so dear. Say you go back for the same way. He himself carried a knife and light coals for starting the fire. As they walked along together, Isaac spoke up. And what Isaac said, Father, he answered, yes, my son. Isaac asked, said, I see that you have the coals. I say, but who said where then you have the coals and the wood. But where is the lamb for the sacrifice? I want to go back for the annoying. I put out the apple. On the Ishmael one, naked a movie or by one name Kitano, Kuran Petro. I say, I answered. And what Abraham here said, God himself will provide one. I'll say, I'm going to say, and so Abraham, no, you didn't come for say, I'm going to back. They do himself so many and point no. And the two of them walked on together. Now, no, and when they came to the place which God had told him about, Abraham built an altar and raised the wood on it. Now, he tied up his son and placed him on the altar. On top of the wood, then he picked up the knife to kill him. Allah Akbar. I know of Father, so bad. Mame Quran chapter 37, verse number 101. 101. Ebakosi 113. Chapter. Quran so ba be kind of story. Near really a son near the young father.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم فبشرناه بغلام حليم فلما بلغ معه السعي قال يا بني إني أرى في المنام أني أذبحك فانظر ماذا ترى قال يا أبت افعل ما تؤمر ستجدني إن شاء الله من الصابرين فلما أسلما وتله للجبين وناديناه أن يا إبراهيم قد صدقت الرؤيا إنا كذلك نجزي المحسنين.
Okay. What 113? 1 or 105? No. What 105 or 105? Also,
إن هذا لهو البلاء المبين وفديناه بذبح عظيم وتركنا عليه في الآخرين سلام على إبراهيم كذلك نجزي المحسنين إنه من عبادنا المؤمنين وبشرناه بإسحاق نبيا من الصالحين وباركنا عليه وعلى إسحاق ومن ذريتهما محسن وظالم لنفسه مبين.
الله أكبر. Na Yakopon a prime bench and was sunny was it?
So we gave him good tidings of a forbearing boy.
Allah Akbar. And Yakopon I kind of story our brother about part of very truthful. Yankopon said, Abraham saw Pebano, Yankopon saw man, a baby now.
So he gave him good tidings of a forbearing boy.
Now,
and when he reached with him the age of exception,
Allah Akbar. No, I say that Abraham, Odu Nilfia Soa, over to me, I am Bibidia.
He said,
one Yankopon and said,
oh my son,
oh, Meba,
indeed,
no
I have seen in a dream that I must sacrifice you.
And one Yankopon was so Abraham died. Ubani Wenini says, oh, Koba, I felt the wedding room for so, and so Mr. Paparano. And Yankopon was so that so on Falcolano for Koba for dear. And my friend Ebani said, Ishmael Bra. Ismael, Nebra, Namasuda esse, Name no ever for you.
So see what we think.
And you know what he said, Allah.
He said,
what was I getting on the end of but the Bible on the side of Sujano, or beside Papa said, you go off for the new down, go off for the noise. Hey, throw, what I end of prayer. And you know, Abraham, Frank Polano, I go beside say, Yakupa say, men don't go off for the end. And to run me, they say, I can no one like a papa can remember. My God, report to know. Young Metron, what do you go off? I don't come in. I'll tell you. And that's a papa, member. Oh, compare my teacher. Or not give me a. Now, you tell us about the
He said,
I want a Koranica said,
oh, my father.
Oh, Major,
do as you are commanded.
Sir, get a book actually yet.
You will find me if Allah wills of the steadfast.
Allah Akbar. I say, Jayaku Paka tells a yen, nay, I'm in a pair, my brave once. If it's a coupon can be a mayor. And you know, one question or say, we're gone away. Baby. And Takoran is a piano once. Say, who was a Papa for the idea who been young 7 of Brazil. Now,
and when they had both submitted, and when they had both submitted,
and you know, Papa na penny, Aqualana penny.
He put him down upon his forehead.
And you know, I want only Aqualano, a go through the beer, I want to go back for the end. Let us see, Chester. What the Aqualana do was send a mayor. Oh, yeah, the Mobrotino, Uncle said, what do you mean? Senator could provide it. Why? Aqualana to catch up a said, once a second, I don't send a mayor. Utanwa obedi winter our cobre. And to Abraham says, Second, out the camp walk rana, never allow.
And he put him down upon his forehead.
Now,
we call to him,
now,
oh, Abraham.
And what? And now, yes, over cap and I need to know. I'm serious. What is it? Cat or cat, no cat, above 4 and the Dalma. And I said that they ever share sick kind and now when I'm in tape. And to a cat, Sir Abraham, the second cat of Frana, no more to talk Parana and cat. And one young couple said, and a young couple a friend. And I said,
you have fulfilled the mission.
Also, when you with him, and so now they saw where when you with him, Nichidia Trosway. No bread,
he does reward the doers of good.
I said, mention young me. And the mid-cheer or more we to make a papa suka. I would tell an what a man, Abraham.
Indeed,
no bread.
This was a clear trial.
I said, the way a year, dear, sorry, I did the buffet now.
And we ransom him with a great sacrifice.
I said, and we ransom you the what?
With a great
sacrifice. I will do kind of in name.
And we left for him favorable mention among the later generations.
Oh, yeah, no, send a baby just to be a gamma. No, allow when those see the crowd. That was the point to man. No, I am such a sir. We also be having a poor. We also am going to suffer. We also ungrata. We also pekunu. Upayere. We also come console. Saraka crowd, person. Allow
Say peace be upon Abraham.
I said, Yakupo and Bob Abraham said, as from Genesis chapter 12, Yakupo will be Abraham, be sure, bedroom. Allah, yet Abraham, more than what Abraham so open.
Indeed,
no cry.
we that's what the thoughts of good.
I say, I'm going to repeat. No cry. Yeah, cheer. Or more with dig made the papa soka. What to say?
Indeed, he was of our believing servant.
I say, no cry. Abraham, I can once me. No, I didn't aqua now.
And we gave him good tidings of Isaac.
I said, and we gave him what?
Good tidings
of what?
Isaac.
No, there's a sacrifice by Isaac. After Bill. Case close. What getting answer? Obey just Quran come. Quran again is super pepper. Bible, dear, I see. And you know, I said, yeah, that's said. Abraham, Yaku Ponga, so for the Bakuro, and for the Ano, I Ishmael. Would this so? Any Yaku say, so I, the end of my Bruno. I don't know about where I can't home. No, they can't who I say, it's why. Oh, my friend, they come, Mamma, I suppose from Shafo, bend your eye, if from Masiaba. Now, God is so wonderful. Some from Shafoni now, one in the nation. But, Shimala said, Commission of free Nasabaya is for all the world. That's and then Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah Akbar. Until you are not a question you have answered has been the answer has been what given to you. According to the Bible, Bobo Kuro, Ishmael and Isaac, one and about for the year. Bible to her, no, you are to her, or quite back. That's an answer is so. Go to Pongwa. Quran by as some or call it straight. And to a dear dance, yes, a fiction and a more fiction, or if my Bible said, Isaac name of Ishmael. What was a visa? No money is 0241 500 523 0241 500 523. Busy like who was a visa? No share life. You bet Ado. Open say Ado, our platform so. You bet Ado so. Now for so any amount. Yes. Who first I know 0241 500 523 Ado. And I said send me a message. Say please add me. You bet Ado our platform so. Now for so any amount we are say any atamuda. Yes, you share the Bible speak. It's your body in a Shekilas Abdurrahman. And no more marketing a massum game, Eka Obibia. After Obibia so what can life? Truth Islamic Preaching International, Yamasum game Obibia. Now, if so be a tear, I say, Yam some Yakanina or Pendram so. Open be at 024 500 523. Usa Abekani, a Fulcran, a womb. Quran, Arabic and Chi. Ruki, I have to proceed. Ruki, I also was a baby. I also am son. Was there power? But 1 to 10. When I also, Nayam was so, and the man will be as much say. Any Akamuda. Yes, Michia, I am nearby Bapon, Zaria, Wowo, Saudi Arabia, and Adama. And then also Mariam Kasim. And our face, Mammy Fati, Yamiasum de Pobibia. Now, Truth Islam Preaching International, Alaji, Zachary Patron, and I was the president, Alaji Mustafa from Germany, and then also Alaji Jan, Vice President Duki, and Michelle Papa, Alaji Ali Kutu, and also with Sheikh Abdurrahman, or Ghana has a Yaku, and then Wahayo, Adam, Germany, Vice. Chairman Michelle Papa one woman and I was Alain Castro, and also a Bremen, and also one woman Papa. Muhammad Siddiq of UK. Yes, you are told Michelle Papa. Now one woman their chance and I was Alain Chambers. Yes, and also Ishram Abdulrazak Qatar, Nuh Ibrahim, Abdul Rahman, and also Saudi, and I was a cook work to survey whom, and also Michelle Papa and Fatima. Yechia Adrian the Fisher President Woman Organizer, Adrian Adia, yes, Adria Safia, Adrian Zenabu, and no more Macanina, Baba Hussein in Canada, and now Fesuno, Alhaji Tanku, also Canada, Masen Gitale, and Muniru, Musa Saudi, also one money, and I'm secretary Abidu, and then Abdul Mumin, and Kwamasi. Yamisho Bibia, Namun Postonamun support program. Yes, say, Ipotaisi, the Suka Siabako, and say, Babisi Hospital, Wababa Show, Bema, Ebeshe, Bema. Yes, inshallah, to be our one is of one mobile money line of 0240 16 0023 0240 16 0023. Here, everybody, Ibrahim appear on a treasure, 2000 international treasure. Inshallah, send there a man for Soda. My office online, I will be in so. Obiasun support to send his couple the same line so. And the man for Swadi amount, and the review by the amount, pine about 1 hour, say, Empire. I give be on pine, and no Saraka obey. Yes, inshallah, be in lie, Kaala. Natural man be seen a man penny, a shakia out in Paco, I bore him, and I'll be close and I am for Soda may we ask my say, and Yakamuda. And tell them, wow, with personal sponsor program way, never bad life. Never be any was in the Bravo. Moon Sunday mobile money for me, near Fenye, Bandit, named from Balak, Nayasa Ketua. Mobile line is 0241 500 523. And Yabato Safra, Malam Penny, now Waba, now Babon Paye, Eddie, Amen, Hazabella Tofik, Salam alaikum, wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Masha Allah, Malam Abdul Karim, Lafia, Enamote, Neno. Ono na mwatimi kasisiano, Malam Abdul Karim, Lafia. Ena woye mpese mu, eye chere, Ishmael and Isaac, Jinabre. Bible says, Isaac, ena edenubo akodieno. And the Quran also say, Ishmael. And the story of Bible, and then story of Quran. No. If you say, watch the story Bible efa Ishmael and Isaac. And I was saying about Quran, mu asaying actually story of Quran so aka. One kasan kasawiya bimba na ujiniya na udiwa jini komwa sawu mi. One kasan kasawiya hunu die ekano kure. If you say the Bible ekano and sisuso. If you say Ishmael onu na edi kan ewo no. Ansa na eba bewo Isaac. Yawo Ishmael no. Ishmael yiniye ansa na eba bewo Isaac. Bra Nyankopon so frɛ Abraham. Wɔsom no daye sɛ wɔmfa ne dɔba. Wɔse wɔmfa ne dɔba pro. Enfombo akɔde ma no. Saa brɛ no na yɛnyɛ Ishmael. If you say, so obi ka kyerɛ sɛ fa wo dɔba koro no na kyerɛ sɛ na tata mo no oba no ɛyɛ baako na onni ba baako bia bio onni ba a ɛka saa ba no bio brɛ no saa brɛ no a otumfo Nyankopɔn ɛkasa kyerɛ Abraham na ɛnyɛ wo Ishmael sɛ wohwɛ story no a nanso no sɛdeɛ kontompo aba Bible mu nti no na di ahya ho sɛ ɛyɛ Isaac. Ai na Isaac no deɛ ɛnya no korɛ. Ɛno tena na yɛ ka no Bible no ankasa no kontompo ahyɛ mu mma. Yɛn kasa Bible no nyew. Yɛn kasa Bible no ɛnya no korɛ. Bible yɛ no korɛ book a Nyankopɔn asane ama akomihyiafoɔ no. Nyankopɔn ɛsane books bebree. Na mmom no Nyankopɔn ɛkyerɛ yɛ books a wabɔ din ɛwɔ Quran mu na Bible ka ho. Wɔbɔ Ataura ɛna yɛ book of Moses ɛna wɔbɔ the book of David ɛne book bɛyɛ Madam Buame.
Sophie Ibrahim.
Dabi enye so ke Ibrahim. David book no. Psalms. Psalms. Book David book no. Ansana wabo din so Sophie Ibrahim. The esanima anabi Ibrahim. Ansana wasan bodi Injila. The esanima Jesus. Ansana Furqan any Quran. Sao mai yuma baku be 5 ana. Ena otufo Nyankopon bodi ewo Quran mu. Nemo mu no otufo Nyankopon e ma yehunu se akomhyiefo no a omoba yeli na ye ma wo mu yina woma. Nemo mu no di enyame ada na di akyerɛ a yehunu pefe ene woma enum yi a ewo eda Quran mu. Na tese Bible so eka ho. Enu tinu ye di Bible di nemo mu no enye Bible a ye yusu ni sese no. Bible a ye yusu ni sese no ye de ensa awuram. Amofo de omonsa awuram. Ye tro nsinsem adane nsinsem ade agu Bible mu ayi bi afrim ade bi so aka ho ade tro aka ho. Enu tinu Bible no ankasa mu hunu yi o de sum nyame a enye ye efise Bible no eye botrobojo ye ka botroboja na tese ade a ayese ehye ade so ayese enyunu eno anye hye eno so anye nyunu na de ehi na obefa enti Bible no sana tie Enunti ena Nyankopon sane Quran edima komisheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Qur'ana eba Qur'an ba wiase 1441 enfumso ba kukura amamu bepemene we the children Quran century 1441 Ensesai ba kukura amam wohu enunti we the children Quran jina bre say Quran muma nyame ankasa na bo mba na Bible so de akomhyiefo anum kasa ewom ana Nyankopon so enum kasa ewom ana nipa a onye komihyieni ono so a wonye sumani yansuma no ono so omonso asem ewom efise Paul wonye komihyieni wonye sumani yansuma no obi ansuma no woye troni wasi Yesu na suma no Yesu enyame Yesu timi suma obi Yesu timi suma obi ya Yesu woye abode a Nyankopon asuma no woye sumafo woye nyame akoa a nyame suma no ende na ono timi asuma obi ono ontimi suma obi a edutino enye no kurese Yesu na asuma Paul wa kantro enye no kure ye ka mobeka se adintre na anytime bia ye ka Paul asam se wa kantro mimia ebre pababa ye beyi Paul nsinsem a kyerɛw ama wo hunu se Paul wo ye truthful troni wo ye truthful pa wo ye troni yankasa won kan kure
next week ebe Paul so
edintino nyame adomo a Paul asem ebeba so next week na mo hunu Paul so gina bre ohun enti Paul na ye kontomponi a wadi ne nsa ahyehye Bible asai Bible mu enye Paul nko ya di kan asai Bible no kura ansa na Paul so beto aso efise Bible no ankasa se atrofo pencil trofo ama asem na ya den adane atro sanso na ukọ eno Old Testament apamdana no oba apamfufro so wase se kan kakane asem no eye no kwa ka ye hwehwe de eto so no tobre wo endi sa woman no ya sai no enunti ena Nyankopɔn ma komisyɛni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam ekopie Saudi Arabia a wampie Israel ane Egypt beebi a akomhyɛfoɔ mpempem efiriye ɔno nko ara ne komisyɛni a ɔbɛfiri Saudi Arabia Maka a otufo Nyankopɔn sane Quran ɛde ma no bɔɔl ban ɛma no enti wontimi nya mfomsoɔ baako ɛwɔ Quran mu wobɛnya bi a yɛtu challenge ama sɛ wobɛnya bi a bra na bɛkyerɛ yɛn wobɛnya bi a bra na bɛkyerɛ yɛn wonya bi yɛtu challenge wonya baako mfomsoɔ baako bra na bɛkyerɛ na Bible so deɛ yɛbɛtumi ayi 5,000 errors in the Bible. 5,000 errors in the Bible. And tronko a ɛwɔ Bible mu ɛyɛ baako 5,000. And you know Ishmael and Isaac ɛwɔ Bible mu no ɛyɛ ntoro. Quran na aka no korɛ. And you ti ase a brana bi busa question na yi wa no. Busa sɛ Argentina Bible say Isaac, who say Ishmael, na yiwa no. Busa say Argentina Quran so I say Ishmael, na yiwa no. Question bia opebia no bra. Madam Abdul Karim Lafia why ready 1,001 question 1,000 answers. Enti yebe yiwa no. Yensro kra yebe yiwa no. Madam Abdul Karim Wahami deɛ yɛnsuro bibia oba Bible deɛ 1 question 1,000 answers ɛna yɛde bɛma wo yɛbɛma wo de class 1 papa sisia ɛwɔ Bible mu ɛne nti no deɛ ɛwɔ hɔ no Nyankopɔn ɛma yɛn ntiaseɛ Nyankopɔn ma yɛn ntiaseɛ Imam Canada Ismail Kelu ane Alhaji Abbas yɛmpanyinfoɔ nyinaa yɛde Islam nkyia ɛkyia salamu alaikum
amin kusi
yɛsan ɛkyia amin kusi ane yɛmpanyinfoɔ a aka nyinaa a yɛmbɔ mu din obi biara ɛkyɛ obiara enti Nyankopɔn ɛmhyira mo efisɛ mona mo yɛ mpanyinfo a mososo yɛ asene a yɛnso yɛtimi ɛkasa ama amanfo nso etie ɛne nti no Nyankopɔn hyira mo Nyankopɔn ma mo hyira Nyankopɔn ma mo aljanna Nyankopɔn ma mo aljanna abonsan jam Nyankopɔn ayi mo mfirim azaban kabari Nyankopɔn ayi mo mfirim Nyankopɔn ɛma mo aljanna yeyina Nyankopɔn ɛhyira yeyina Nyankopɔn ma yɛ aljanna obi biara a ɔwɔ platform wei so Nyankopɔn ɛma obiara aljanna efisɛ deɛ yɛ no ɛnyɛ bibia nti aljanna no ara yeyina yɛpere na Nyankopɔn nso ɛna aljanna no ɛyɛ ne dia ɛno nti Nyankopɔn na yɛsrɛ no sɛ wɔma yɛ aljanna na wɔyi yɛn firi abonsangyem na wɔma yɛ aljanna yɛmpanyinfoɔ nyinaa Nyankopɔn ɛma ɔmo apɔmuden wɔma ɔmo apɔmuden Nyankopɔn hyira ɔmo yie mehunu empire bɛbɔ ama ɔmo kyɛ sɛ Nyankopɔn yɛ ɔmo ade ɔmo apɛdi a ɔmo pɛ biara a ɛyɛ ade papa biara Nyankopɔn yɛ ma ɔmo Rabbana atina fid dunya hasana wa fil akhirati hasana wa qina azaban nar ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار أفي يمانا فو أمو فري منسو ينكوبو أنفا أمو أنتو الجنة ممايا ينكوبو مو الجنة ينكوبو مو الجنة في الدوس يمانا مالا محمد ينكوبو مو الجنة أنا يا مالم حسن ينكوبون من الجنة يا مامي أسيبي ينكوبون من الجنة أنا يا يرسو يا مالم باكو يفرانو مالم عبد الرحمن أنوسو وبوي أنوسو na yɛre afirim Nyankopɔn ma no aljanna ɛna ɔmo a moaka yi na Nyankopɔn ma obiara aljanna a ɔmo afiri mu a ɔmo yɛ nkramofoɔ yɛ maame mu no yɛ papa mu no mu nyinaa yɛ nuanom a ɔmo yɛ nkramofoɔ a ɔmo firi mu Nyankopɔn ɛma ɔmo aljanna Allahumma Nyankopɔn ma aljanna Nyankopɔn ma ɔmo aljanna ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار اللهم اغفر جميع الموتى المسلمين اللهم اغفر جميع الموتى المسلمين الذين شهدوا لك بالوحدانية ولنبيك بالرسالة وماتوا على ذلك اللهم اغفر لهم وارحمهم وعافيهم واعف عنهم وأكرم نزلهم ووسع حالهم واغسلهم بالماء والثلج والبرد ونقه من الذنوب والخطايا كما ينقى الثوب الأبيض من الدنس برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين يا رب العالمين اللهم لا تدع لنا في مكاننا هذا ذنبا إلا غفرته ولا هما إلا فرجته ولا دينا إلا قضيته ولا أسيرا إلا يسرته ولا عدوا إلا هزلته ولا ميتا إلا رحمته ولا حاجة من حوائج الدنيا والآخرة يا لك ولا فيها سلام إلا أنتنا على قضائها اللهم أعز الإسلام والمسلمين وأذل الشرك والمشركين ودمر أعداءك أعداء الدين وانصر عبادك المجاهدين في كل مكان برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين يا رب العالمين ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار اللهم صل على محمد وعلى محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى إبراهيم في العالمين إنك حميد مجيد سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.